Sleigh bells ringing, diamonds blinging, carols singing, favorite season. Sleigh bells ringing.
Hey guys, so I'm just about to go live on YouTube. I just set up my laptop. I have my ring light in front of me. Yeah, I'm excited. This is going to be like the last live for the year. So by the time this vlog is going up, it should have gone up. So go check it out. If you missed the live, then go and watch the replay. Let me show you guys what we're working with. So yeah, this is what we're working with. I used one of my birthday pictures for the thumbnail, and I'm waiting for 6 p.m. to hit that go live button right there. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed watching the live. By this time you should have finished watching, so hope you guys enjoyed watching it, and I hope you guys enjoyed coming live with me. This live basically is going to be all about the year 2021, how the year was for you, for me. Was it good? Was it bad? Was it just there? What you achieved? What you hope to achieve? Your low moments, your high moments. Basically 2021 in retrospect. That's basically what the live is going to be about. I'm excited to talk to you guys right now. I'm always so excited for my live sessions. I hardly do them, but when I do, I'm super duper excited. It has been a very busy day. I have every single day I must create something, so I've had to create like 2 sponsored reels today already before this live session, so you can imagine how my day has been. And today is Sunday, so you can imagine no rest. See, once I put my last video on Christmas Day for VLOGMAS, before you see me on YouTube again, it's gonna take. Before you see me again, oh God, it's gonna taste small. So just enjoy it now. That's all I can say. Okay, I'm about to go live, and I will talk to you guys soon.
The next day.
Hi guys. Hope you guys are doing good. I just got to the market now. Today is, what is today? Today is Wednesday. No, today is Tuesday before Christmas week, basically. Craving fried rice today, and yeah, I just got to the market and I just want to buy a few things. I already have chicken. I just took it out the freezer so it can defrost. So I just want to buy like fresh vegetables, carrots, green peas, spring onions, green pepper, all that, garlic, oil, and all the other things we might need. Yeah, that's why I'm here, just to pick up very few things, head back home and begin to cook. So let's go. Okay, so I'm back home. I didn't buy a lot, to be honest, just a few things I know I needed to, cook with. This is onions. Guys, onions has gone up again. If you're in Nigeria, let me know what area you're living. Your location, has onions gone up? Because onions has gone up again. This is half basket of onions, and I got it for 1,000 naira. So onions has gone up again, guys. Let me know what it's like in your own place, wherever it is that you're located. Guys don't know, I am not a bulk food buyer. Okay, I don't have a large family, so I usually do not buy food in bulk like that, except frozen food, right? I buy frozen food in bulk, sometimes chicken, fish, and all that, but on a normal day I don't buy like regular stuff in bulk because I don't have a large family per se, and I don't want to risk food getting spoiled because nobody's eating it, right? Okay, but this is like a smaller bottle of power oil, vegetable oil. I think this one is going for like 2.5 now. This one needs to be like 1,000 something, guys. Now it's like 2.5, the small one. This is just veggies, carrots, green peas, just stuff I need to make fried rice today. This is like 500 naira worth or something. And I got Knorr cubes. This is like what I used to cook all the time. At this point, I think Knorr has to sponsor one of my videos. If you are watching Knorr, please come and sponsor your girl. Because I use this like since, I've been using Knorr since like I was God knows how old. I learned it from my mom, and this is what my family have always used. So I just stuck to using this for my own family. Okay, I bought sausage. I'm not sure if I want to add this to my fried rice. I haven't used this brand before. I don't know what brand this is. I've never used this brand before. It's called Tikka, I think. So I hope it's nice. I may use a bit for the rice or not. Sometimes I don't like my fried rice having sausage, but Mia loves sausages, so I just might add sausage into it. This is fresh pepper. I got like 200 naira worth, and this is actually quite a lot for 200. I got dry pepper, just a little bit, and I got this container to put it in. This was like 200 naira or something, so I just got 1 cup of this. 1 cup was like 400, so I'll just turn this into this container here. What else did I buy? Yeah, so these are green pepper. Green pepper can be annoyingly expensive. It's very annoying. This green pepper, this big one, was like 150. 150. Just this big one, and then these other 2 small ones were like 100 naira or something. Then I now went somewhere else and I found these ones. I don't know whether it's because of the color. I don't know why it's expensive in the market, but these people are selling this thing 300 naira for one. I'm not sure it's because it's yellow and because it is red. I'm not sure, but I got this for 300 naira each. 300 naira each. Somebody make it make sense. I don't know. Then I also got a bit of garlic because I really want to season my chicken with garlic today. Yeah, that's all I got. Let's get cooking. It's just literally before 6 a.m. Rushing to the airport with my dad now to go and pick Mom C. Mom C is back. So let's go. Mom! Mommy! Sorry! Aww. Hi, Mom. Hi, Mommy.
I've been traveling since
I know. 2 days
I
travel.
left United States of America since Tuesday.
Come on.
Transited for 12
Bossy, come on. Hey.
Yeah. The soldier's mom.
The soldier's mama.
In London for 12 hours and I did not find a
12 hours layover, Sha. That was a lot. Relax at the back, eh? Good morning. Mommy! Nah, see suitcase. Mommy, what is happening? What is going on, Mom? Merry Christmas, man.
Gift off for joy. You know how much I spent inside?
Jesus.
10,000 naira.
Why?
Yeah, 10,000.
The customs.
Yeah.
My
So
God. They don't start opening your stuff.
Even though it has gone through scan, you know.
My baby. Busy? How are you? How are you? Well done. How are you, sweetheart? Mommy is not from America.
Yeah.
How does it feel to be back home?
Hey, the house, I think the house is echoing. Mommy missed you. You go and wash your hair for Christmas. Okay. And next tomorrow is Christmas. Thank you. Next tomorrow is Christmas. That's why I was washing so that I'll come and do Christmas with Wendy.
Oh, so cute. 1 month. Mom, see.
Jesse, how are you?
Fine, welcome.
Thank you.
Fresh.
Thank you. Thank you. Fine, thank you. Fine.
You're seeing grandma now.
How's your grandma now?
Grandma now.
Inokwa.
Are you heavy? You are heavy.
Yes, sir.